What up, YouTube? Go Farm back for another video on this beautiful day, y'all. It ain't even close to Thanksgiving, but we finna have a huge brassica harvest, baby. Come on, can't keep the camera still, y'all. All right, I got some little worms in here. I put some pure Castile soap in here, and I just pick them off, y'all. But you know why these on there? Cause it's time to eat, baby. It's time to eat. I can pick these worms off, or I can pick these greens off. I choose greens. Let's go. All right, y'all, we're gonna start right here. The white butterfly I was gonna chase, but I got the camera going, so let's get to the business. I ain't bragging on them, but just to say what I'm saying. This is my hand. I'm trying to get it all the way in camera. It's a big leaf. This is my hand, y'all. Come on, let's go, y'all. Let's go. We're gonna get some greens. It's almost Thanksgiving time, and these collard greens is giving. I'ma get all these greens, and then I'ma cut them up, and my family gonna say you the best. Oh, these some big greens. Oh, these some big greens. Let's get it. I think everybody shoots for Thanksgiving on having their greens ready, cause these will be on my table, and I make sure I tell everybody that eat a spoonful of these greens, these my greens. They came out my garden. So I mean, we find bugs for these greens. Don't fight them bugs. Get the green. If ain't no greens out here, ain't nothing for the bugs to eat. It's a whole plan and an understanding that I'm gonna get my food, and if the bugs ain't got what they're gonna get by now, it's a wrap. I'm killing all white butterflies, and we're gonna get these greens, y'all. All day we're gonna get these greens. The little one, we're gonna get them too. We gonna have a pot that stank up the whole neighborhood full of greens, y'all. We're gonna have the biggest collard green harvest in history of YouTube. Do you hear me? And Kroger, I know you about to call me. I know you about to call me. Don't. It is what it is. And we're gonna move on, Kroger. Don't play with me, Kroger. Don't play with me, cause you charging $8 a goddamn bundle for green, and I'm growing these out here with $3 worth of seed. Yes, Kroger, I'm talking to you. Don't at me in no video, Kroger. Don't do none of that. You got 24 hours to respond, Kroger. 24 hours. Yep, we still getting green. We ain't even made it over to the raised beds yet. And we're gonna get all these greens. Every last stinking bit of. Yeah. We're gonna get some broccoli leaves to try. We're gonna get a whole bunch of stuff, y'all. But y'all ain't gotta sit here and watch this if you don't want to. I know some people don't mind. I'm just saying what I'm saying. And I'll be back. Yeah. Let's get it there a little bit. We ain't gonna zoom in. Them greens too big to zoom in on. They're unzoomable greens. I said unzoomable greens, y'all. We fighting bugs. We ain't got to. If ain't nothing out here for the bugs to get to, ain't nothing to fight, baby. Let's get these greens, man. All day on Thanksgiving, I'm gonna shoot a video. All day on Thanksgiving, I'm gonna let them know I grew this. It's spectacular because I grew this. Yeah. These greens are Georgia Southern greens. Georgia greens. Georgia's so great, they got their own greens named after them. If they give you any idea what these greens hitting like. Let's go, Georgia. Let's go. Let's get these greens. Let's go. Yeah, I just want to show y'all where I'm getting them from. Y'all ain't got to watch the whole part of me cutting these up. I'm going to come back when I'm done. Or when I move over to the next bed. No, I ain't. To the OG people who want to watch me pull these green watch. The people who don't, scroll on, baby. Slow scrolling. Scrolling with the motion. Slow scrolling. Hey, my baby told me scroll it with the motion. Yeah. We're gonna get these. If it ain't for you watching, don't watch. Look at a little bug. I got you. I got you. Let me send them to the upper room. I'll be right back. All right. We back at it. We back at it. I'm gonna need another bowl, y'all. Matter of fact, I'm gonna need 2 more bowls. Matter of fact, I'm gonna need to call the neighbors to help me pull them and de-stem them. I gotta call somebody. I ain't calling Kroger though. I won't be calling Kroger about no Thanksgiving collard green. I can tell you that much. Oh yeah. Yeah, let's go. All right. That's what we got so far, y'all. We're gonna be back. Oh, and you thought I forgot about the greasy leaf? Oh no, we're gonna get the greasy leaf too. Greasy leaf. No bugs on these greasy leaf. No bugs. These bugs don't even know what this is. They say it look like collard green, but they so shiny. Look how shiny they is. That's what the bugs saying. Look how shiny they is. Bugs do not mess with these greasy leaf collard green. Grow them. Big daddy greasy leaf collards. Oh yeah. Been in the ground for 2 years. They don't care. They just keep growing. Oh yeah. We're gonna get all these greasy leaf. All of them. All of them. All of them. You heard me. All of them. Uh-oh. I lied. There's some bugs hatching out on it. But they ain't doing that though. They was just trying to get they grow on. Not on my watch though, baby. Not on my watch. Let's get them all. Let's get them all. We're gonna mix the greasy leaf with the Georgia Southern, and we're gonna have Southern greasy leaf collards. It's gonna be a hybrid pot. Hybrid pot of greens, y'all. Yeah, let's get them. I didn't get too much harvest off of last year, but it's making up this year, baby. Now look, y'all like, that's all the greasy leaf collard greens? No, ma'am. No, ma'am, we finna get those too. We're gonna get them too. Like a little bug right there. We're just gonna pull that out. We're just gonna extract the bugs from it. And we're gonna keep moving. These have no damage. Now I've seen bugs on them just then, but no damage. Uh-oh. Told another lie. They'll worm right there. Alright, I'm gonna stop lying. It ain't that much bug damage on them. Let's put it that way. That way I ain't telling an outright lie. I'm semi-telling the truth. Semi-truth teller. Oh, boy. My family's gonna say, bro, you the best, bro. You the best, bro. You saved Thanksgiving. Cause what's gonna happen is, y'all gonna get ready a couple days before Thanksgiving to go in there to get some collard greens. 2 things gonna happen. Either they ain't got none, or they $8 for them wilted up, been in the greenhouse all year. And to the people, let me talk to the people that's talking about, hey bro, won't you wait till you get a frost so it can be kissed with that frost? Kiss these. Kiss these. That's all I'm gonna say. We're gonna keep it moving. I'm gonna get my groceries when the getting is good, y'all. Look at that. Really? Wait. I ain't waiting on that. All I'm waiting on is the pot to heat up. That's all I'm waiting on. Once the pot get hot, it's on the pot. Y'all wait on y'all greens. Y'all do what y'all do in y'all garden. I'm gonna do what I do in mine. And what I do in mine is get food. Get food. And y'all know what I put in this soil? Nathan. I got wood chips in here that's breaking down. And I might put some 511 in there from time to time if I think about it. But these are Nathan greens. I'm not even gonna call them greasy. These are Nathan greens. Because they got Nathan on them. Nathaniel on these greens. And somebody saying, I know somebody saying, oh, that ain't full. It's something at the bottom. I'm gonna pull them out. I'm gonna show you. Don't worry about it. I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. No Nelly. No Nelly. Not Nelly. You know who I mean. Show me what you're working with. Mystical. That's what I'm thinking about. Mystical. No mystical. Little bug here. Oh, that was a little spider. Oh, you a quick one. It don't matter. You ain't gonna make it to sundown, buddy. Boy, these greasy leaves are putting out. You are showing. Oh, let's go. Showing. Oh, look at a little worm here. Get the hell on. I ain't got time to play with you. All the little boy going to. I can be choicing now. I got so many greens, I can be choice. A little yellow on it. Put shout. All right, a lot of people talking about try broccoli. They taste better than collard green. Now my broccoli is still forming the head. Ooh, some of that broccoli ready to pull. I'm gonna give it a little while. But yeah, I'm gonna let it get bigger. All right, but I don't want to take too much because the leaves provide energy for the plant. So I'm gonna cut 1 or 2 at the bottom. You know what I mean? Just enough to see if I like it before I get knee deep and harvesting these leaves. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna get 2 from each plant from the bottom, and we're gonna see what they do. Look at this butterfly. Boy, I'd have kicked that. Man, you saw that butterfly? I'd have got hands on that joker there. I would have did him slow. I would have drowned him for a bit, cut his wings off. I would have got diabolical with him. You hear me? But yeah, I don't want to get a whole bunch of them. Slow down the production of the plant. Or you could look at it the other way and say it's putting less energy into the leaf. I'm not experienced enough to know either way, so I'm just gonna pull a couple of them to keep it safe. So we will see. And they got bugs everywhere in here. They got the little eggs. But we ain't gonna worry about that. We're gonna get our food. We're gonna get a couple of them. I could wait until I've already harvested the broccoli, but the leaves could be decimated by then. So I'm gonna get them while the leaves fresh out the plant. Because I know that's gonna be in the comments. Won't you wait till you harvest the broccoli? That does make sense. But these leaves looking good. Look at here. Find a little bug. He just old enough to start eating my plant. But guess what? I wish I knew Tamara Man so I can call her and let us sing it. Take him to the king. He didn't have much to bring. You know what I mean. You know what I mean. Let's get a couple more of these. Oh boy, this turned into the greatest Brassica harvest on YouTube, hands down. Hands down. All right. So we got these many. We got enough to taste. We're gonna get on. All right, let's get this bok choy. She is pretty. I heard some people say you can cut and come again on bok choy. I don't believe it. So cut her down. We're gonna eat that tonight, y'all. We're gonna stir fry her. Yeah. All right, what else we have here? Let's go ahead and get these bell peppers for the dressing. Yeah, bell pepper for the chicken dressing. You heard me? Bell pepper for the chicken dressing. I don't care how I cut this, to be honest. She on the layer legs anyway. That's a nice little bell pepper. Oh, look at that bell pepper. Wife is gonna be so impressed. Yeah, she is. All right, we got some more bell peppers right here. Wow, she's a nice one. Should we wait on this one, y'all, or go ahead and get her? Get her. Get her. Get water getting good. Is that all the peppers you got on there? But you say you got 3 more right here. What? Don't you say. We're going to hold off on that, though. We're going to hold off on her. Oh, yeah, we're going to get these mustard greens a little more time. Florida broadleaf mustard. A little more time, y'all. Just a little more time. They ain't quite ready yet. Not yet. All right, y'all, this the harvest. Some broccoli leaves to taste. Some bell peppers. A bunch of collard greens. One little bok choy. And that's it, y'all. I'm gonna de-stem out here on this table. I'm gonna wash them up good, take them in the house, put a little vinegar in the water, soak them again, make sure everything is perfect. Then I'm gonna cut them up, put them in freezer bags. Thanksgiving, here we come, y'all.